Welcome to Top 5 Best Picks. The Best Lashes Remover is probably one of the most essential tools in any lash artist's kit, designed to gently and effectively dissolve lash extension adhesive without damaging the natural lashes. This crucial product ensures a clean and safe removal process, making it a non-negotiable for maintaining lash health and client satisfaction. Whether you're a seasoned professional or just starting out, understanding the nuances of a high-quality lashes remover can significantly impact the overall experience and outcome of your lash services, ensuring your clients leave with healthy, beautiful lashes every time. Number 5. STACY Lash Eyelash Extension Shampoo Plus Brush. Introducing a gentle yet effective solution for cleansing your eyelashes. This specially formulated shampoo is designed to keep your lashes looking their best. Perfect for both eyelash extensions and natural lashes, it provides a deep clean without causing damage. Remove makeup and impurities with ease. Whether you're a professional lash artist or maintaining your lashes at home, this cleanser is your go-to. It's safe and easy to use for everyone. Achieve a thorough clean with the included brush. It helps to gently lift away dirt and oil, ensuring a spotless finish every time. Our formula is safe for your delicate eye area and effective at removing even stubborn makeup. Enjoy clean, healthy lashes with confidence. This convenient size is perfect for travel or keeping in your daily beauty routine. Experience the difference a dedicated lash cleanser can make. What we like. This product offers a gentle foaming cleanser, perfect for maintaining your lash extensions or natural lashes. It's safe for extensions and suitable for both professional and home use. If you're looking for a daily cleanser to keep your lashes pristine without causing damage, this is a great choice. What people say. The formula suds up exceptionally well, effortlessly removing any dirt, oil, or makeup residue that may accumulate throughout the day. The result is beautifully refreshed lashes that maintain their fullness and longevity. The smaller bottle lasts me an impressive 4 months, making it incredibly cost-effective. Not only does it provide a generous amount of product, but it also comes with a convenient brush for easy application. This cleanser is gentle on my sensitive eyes and never causes any irritation. The formula is specifically designed to be gentle on the delicate eye area, making it suitable for even the most sensitive individuals. Number 4. NOVEHA Tea Tree Oil Eyelid and Lash Wipes. Soothe your tired eyes with our specially formulated wipes. They are designed to gently cleanse and calm irritation, providing much-needed relief. Enriched with hyaluronic acid, green tea, and chamomile, these wipes offer a natural approach to eye care. Experience the calming benefits of these botanical extracts. Ideal for those suffering from blepharitis or itchy eyes, our wipes provide a gentle yet effective solution. They help to reduce discomfort and promote healthier eyelids and lashes. Each wipe is individually wrapped for maximum freshness and convenience. Perfect for on-the-go use, ensuring a clean application every time. Effortlessly remove makeup and daily impurities without harsh chemicals. These wipes leave your lashes and eyelids clean and refreshed, maintaining their natural beauty. Incorporate them into your daily routine for consistent care. They help maintain lash hygiene and keep your eyelids comfortable and clear. What we like. These individually wrapped wipes are infused with soothing ingredients like tea tree oil, hyaluronic acid, green tea, and chamomile. They are designed to help with conditions like blepharitis, itchy eyes, and styes, acting as a natural makeup remover and daily cleanser. If you suffer from eye irritation or are looking for a convenient, hygienic way to cleanse your lashes while soothing your eyes, these wipes are ideal. What people say. The wipe is easy to use and is a very good size. It could wipe your entire face if you wanted. The appearance is slightly textured, the cloth is soft, the solution they use is pleasant with no fragrance or stickiness. The wipes themselves have this soft, almost quilted texture that feels substantial but not rough. The moisture level is just right too. Not dripping wet but definitely saturated enough to clean thoroughly without having to scrub. Number 3. Existing Beauty Sensitive Lash Remover Gel. Say goodbye to stubborn lash glue. Our fast-acting formula breaks down adhesive quickly, making removal a breeze for both extensions and strip lashes. Get salon-quality results in the comfort of your own home. This gel remover is perfect for individual or strip lashes, offering a reliable solution for extensions. Designed for sensitive eyes, it works effectively on various lash adhesives. Use it for professional applications or at home with confidence. Our products meet high manufacturing and environmental safety standards. You can be assured of its quality and safety for your lashes. New to lash removal? No worries. Detailed instructions are sent to your email with every order. We'll help you become a pro in no time. What we like? This is a clear, fast-acting gel remover that efficiently breaks down lash glue. It's GBL-free and offers professional quality for at-home use, suitable for strip lashes and extensions. If you need a quick and effective solution for removing lash extensions or strip lashes without harsh chemicals, this gel remover is your best bet. What people say. Removed all my lashes in just 5 minutes. My natural eyelashes were perfectly fine also. They were not damaged at all. It definitely gets the job done quickly. My lash extensions came off without much effort. Number 2. STACY Lash Eyelash Extension Primer. Introducing the STACY Lash Eyelash Extension Primer. This essential product is designed to prepare your natural lashes for extensions. It effectively removes protein oils from the lashes. This ensures a clean surface for optimal adhesion. Experience significantly increased adhesive bonding power. This means your extensions will stay put for longer. Enjoy superior retention for your semi-permanent eyelash extensions. Achieve beautiful, long-lasting results every time. This is the perfect pre-treatment solution for individual semi-permanent extensions. It's a must-have for professional lash artists. Elevate your lash application with this professional-grade primer. It's an indispensable part of your lash extension supplies. What we like? This primer acts as a protein and oil remover, preparing your natural lashes for extensions. It significantly increases adhesive bonding power and retention. If you're a lash technician or a DIY enthusiast looking to ensure maximum longevity and a strong bond for semi-permanent lash extensions, this primer is a crucial step in the application process. What people say. It works so well and it is so easy to remove the lashes. This remover is very effective and makes lash removal a breeze. I love how quickly and easily this product removes lash extensions. Number 1. Buqikma Lash Cleaning Kit. Discover the ultimate solution for maintaining your lash extensions. This comprehensive kit is designed to keep your lashes clean and fresh, ensuring they look their best every day. Our specially formulated lash shampoo gently removes makeup and impurities without damaging your extensions. It's the perfect way to care for your delicate lash line. Dry your lashes quickly and efficiently with the included rechargeable handheld fan dryer. Achieve a perfect finish in seconds, making your aftercare routine a breeze. This kit provides everything you need for optimal lash care. From cleansing foam to drying, it ensures your extensions remain beautiful and long-lasting. Designed for convenience, this kit makes lash maintenance simple. Enjoy professional quality results at home with minimal effort. Elevate your lash extension experience with this all-in-one cleaning and drying system. Keep your lashes looking flawless and extend their lifespan effortlessly. What we like? This comprehensive kit provides everything you need for thorough lash cleaning and aftercare. It includes a lash shampoo, a rechargeable handheld fan dryer, a mascara brush, and a rinse bottle with cleansing foam. If you want a complete solution for cleaning and drying your lash extensions, ensuring they stay clean and well-maintained, this kit is perfect for you. What people say. This lash remover is very effective and works quickly. It has a pleasant scent and doesn't irritate my eyes. The formula is gentle and removes lash extensions with ease. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.